Composer 2 just smoked the coding benchmarks, beating Anthropic's Opus 4.6 while costing a tenth as much. Cursor's new AI model scores 61.7% on Terminal Bench 2.0, and with 50 cents per million input tokens, it's a straight-up bargain for devs. The fast version's still cheaper than OpenAI and Anthropic, making high-level AI coding way more accessible. OpenAI just dropped a bomb, snatching up Astral and its killer Python tools like Rough, UV, and Tye to power up Codex. This move throws serious shade at Anthropic's Claude code, as OpenAI aims to lock down the AI coding game with millions of devs now in their corner. Astral's open-source tools stay free, but the battle for developer loyalty is about to get real spicy. DuckDuckGo just cranked up the heat. Now their Duck.ai chatbot lets you pick between lightning-fast replies or deep, step-by-step reasoning with GPT 5.2 if you're a subscriber. Free users get GPT 5 Mini, but everyone's chats stay locked down and anonymous, so your secrets don't leak. This move puts serious AI muscle and privacy control right in your grip, no strings attached. Xiaomi just dropped its Mimo V2 AI lineup, and the specs are wild enough to make even Claude 4.6 sweat. The Pro, Omni, and TTS models flex over 1 trillion parameters, multimodal skills, and ultra-long context, all at a fraction of the price. Plus, devs get a free trial week. This move is set to push open-source AI into a whole new era. Before OpenAI could launch its computer control agent, Anthropic rolled out Dispatch, letting Claude execute desktop tasks straight from your phone. Just leave the Claude app open on your Mac or Windows, send commands via mobile, and get finished docs, reports, or presentations synced back. No babysitting, just results. But heads up, remote AI control is powerful yet risky. Missteps can mess with your files, so Anthropic keeps it in preview for now. Comet, the AI browser that shook up desktops, just landed on iPhone. No more monthly fees, just straight-up power. Now you get voice search, multi-tab summaries, and built-in ad blocking, all juiced by Perplexity's AI assistant. This move lets users ditch Safari, handle research, shopping, and tasks way faster. But heads up, privacy and security risks are still real. Forget wasting time flipping between code and design. OpenAI Codex and Figma just dropped a two-way integration that lets you edit UI and code in one flow. Codex now powers over 1 million weekly users, with giants like Cisco and NVIDIA jumping on board. This move means faster prototyping, less context switching, and a whole new level of AI-driven teamwork for devs and designers. Ever wanted to drop yourself into a viral YouTube short? Now you can, with the new Reimagine AI tool that lets users transform any frame into a fresh 8-second clip using Gemini and VO. Just pick a scene, add up to 2 pics from your gallery, and boom, AI generates a brand new video, linking back to the original creator. Just when you thought, I couldn't get wilder, Microsoft Copilot now lets you whip up a song from a single text prompt. By teaming up with Suno AI, users can generate music with ease. But copyright ownership is still a messy gray zone, especially for free users, while paid subscribers get more rights. A digital agent that never sleeps is about to shake up how you handle your daily grind. Perplexity just dropped its personal computer, an always-on AI that runs locally, automates emails, presentations, and app controls, and even lets you remote in from anywhere. With a kill switch and full activity logs, this beast is built for both power and control, and it's coming for your workflow. Midjourney just dropped its V8 model, promising image generation that's 5 times faster and now supports native 2K resolution and improved text rendering. But heads up, premium features like HD and style references now cost 4 times more, and relax mode isn't available yet. For users chasing top-tier quality, that price hike is gonna sting. Forget what you thought AI could do. MiniMax just dropped its M2.7 model, and this beast literally evolves itself. The M2.7 can handle 30 to 50% of reinforcement learning research workflows, smashing previous internal benchmarks by about 30%. With multi-agent collab, killer code security, and pro-level office skills, this model is now live for API and platform use, signaling a whole new era for automated R&D.